Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Wamp referred to the 7 children who testified in a trial back in June that they were sexually abused by Dwayne Sanders inside of his Wallace A. Smith Elementary classroom as a heroic 7. Sanders was supposed to learn his sentence on Tuesday. However, there is one issue holding up that sentencing decision.
Whether or not Mr. Sanders would have to have a psychosexual evaluation before he could be sentenced.
Anyone convicted of a crime of a sexual nature must undergo a psychosexual evaluation per Tennessee Code. These evaluations, according to a policy from the Tennessee Sex Offender Treatment Board, are to evaluate an offender's likelihood to reoffend and respond to treatments. If given before a sentence is handed down, a judge could use it to impose probation or an alternative sentence. The main dispute in this case is whether or not this should be administered before Sanders is given his sentence for his June conviction. Public Defender Jay Perry argued that his client should not receive this evaluation before the end of this case because he is not eligible for those other sentences.
It would be a waste of resources to have him submit to an evaluation before sentencing. Then at any point in the future, if he was to be considered for release, he would have to have another one. That doesn't make sense.
However, prosecutor Stephanie Brown says that given the gravity of this case, she believes that one should be conducted pre-sentence.
This case will likely be appealed. The state's position is that every step necessary to be cautious, that every box is being checked, should occur in this case. We talked at length during various points of the trial about how unique of a case it was and things like that, so I have no doubt that it will be looked at in the future.
She believes the across-the-board guilty verdict only enhances the need for this evaluation.
I do believe, according to what the jury found, that it is appropriate to sentence him to life without possibility of parole.
Sanders will likely not be sentenced until this fall after a decision is made on this evaluation. Reporting from the Hamilton County Courts Building, Nick Hill, News 12.